Musumbi Dr. William Ruto Niwakulya Maminista Kuthukuma Uyiekana Umalikitye Mauvisini alama Aineena Mayiekana na Miyonan'yo na Maundu ala Matonya Kwananga Uthukumi kwa Mweenenthi Aineena status Musyini wa Ilovi Ivindani ya Kuithw'a Kithitu kwa Maminista Eli na Aandiki Anene 14 Musumbi Easya kana Kelele Mwingi na Niwakulya Athukumi ama Silikali kwibetangana Naw'o na Kuthukuma Mweenenthi Maminista alama Kuithw'a Kithitu ni Ruto mubyani wa Uthukumi wa Mweenenthi ulona ina Jasin Muturi na hana Cheptumo mubyani wa mibai Lina Musangi nukutwalese.
Anna Wendot Cheptumo being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya.
Onena itina Kuithw'a Kithitu chawe ya kwe mauvisa ama serikali. Musumbini wa makadhi ya mauvisa ako kwa chawe ya uo weta ina Uyiekana mauvisa ama serikali. Nima Uthukuma mawia ako Uyikiku kwa Kithitu nduma na kumanyekana. Medha Mweenenthi mengunu kwa Kithiekana ni Uthukuma Maundu vaile.
Expectations have never been higher, and failure is not an option. Our only valid response to criticism and demands is to perform our duties in a manner that increases public confidence in government. You are joining the executive at a defining midpoint, a moment that calls for greater effort and deeper commitment to achieving a national transformation that leaves nobody behind. You have been called to serve, not for personal gain, but to contribute to a team working to consolidate our progress and accelerate the implementation of our bold transformation agenda.
Yoma machama Thukuma mata ukiona Kuithw'a kune vyu vingi kiutuchi no kenda Mweenenthi ewe Muthukume.
You are now part of a broad-based government of loyal public servants united to deliver progress that will be remembered for generations. Your vision and mission must therefore transcend regional, gender, religious, and cultural distinctions and serve all in accordance with the solemn oath you have taken, without fear, favor, malice, or ill will. Every citizen must feel represented, heard, and served. To drive this inclusive transformation and after due consultations, I have restructured government departments to align their mandates with emerging opportunities and to effectively meet the urgent challenges of our time.
Ona Kuithw'a mauvisa ama serikali maitho Kithitu Kuthukuma mivea kivathukanyo. Musumbini wa Umalikitye kana methukuma nzini wa serikali imwe na Mweenenthi wa nzi ya Kenya.
There is only one path to success in public service: through integrity, diligence, and patriotic service. Conversely, shortest way to failure is through indolence, apathy, theft, corruption, negligence, tribalism, and inability to work in a team. I am confident that the team that I have carefully selected and that has been approved by Parliament is going to serve with the integrity that is expected of you, the professionalism that will give us results, and the cohesion that will make our team succeed as one.
Will not diverge directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Cabinet Secretary. And I will perform my functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
That I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic. That I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Cabinet Secretary.
Good report of Lingua Mauvo Nelina Mosangi.